Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best 2015 Tacoma Headlights is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for this popular truck, dramatically improving nighttime visibility and adding a modern aesthetic appeal. This detailed review will walk you through everything you need to know before purchasing, from brightness and beam pattern to durability and ease of installation, helping you make an informed decision and find the perfect headlights to illuminate your night drives. Number 5. AKKON Toyota Tacoma LED Headlights. Upgrade your Toyota Tacoma with these sleek, new headlights. They offer a superior light pattern and a modern look. These headlights are 100% brand new and come in custom packaging. They've never been installed before. These headlights are designed to perfectly fit all 2012 to 2015 Toyota Tacoma models. Enjoy a seamless installation. Experience a brighter, more focused light pattern with the advanced projector design. It's a significant improvement over traditional headlights. These lights use high-quality SMD LED chips for exceptional brightness and illumination. See the road clearly, day or night. For the halo and LED connections, some minor wiring adjustments might be necessary. It's recommended to consult a professional mechanic. While installation instructions aren't included, a qualified mechanic can easily install them. Don't hesitate to seek professional help. These headlights come with a 90-day limited warranty from the delivery date. This ensures your satisfaction and peace of mind. What we like. It features a trendy projector headlight design and ultra-bright SMD LED chips for superior illumination. If you're looking for enhanced visibility in a modern look, this is the perfect choice. The DRL LED light tubes add a stylish touch, making your Tacoma stand out from the crowd. What people say. This one is as bright as the OEM lights, brights are even more visible, and the styling looks fantastic. These lights are so bright I am sure I am going to get flashed just driving around. These headlights have significantly improved the overall look of my truck. My truck looks years newer because of these headlights. Number 4. Tacoma Headlight Assemblies, 12 to 15. These headlight assemblies are designed to seamlessly integrate with your 2012 to 2015 Toyota Tacoma. They offer a superior driving experience with enhanced visibility. No more foggy headlights. It features an anti-misting design for crystal clear vision in any weather condition. Enjoy a simple plug-and-play installation. No extra drilling or wiring is needed. It's a direct OEM replacement. They come with a 1-year limited warranty and are DOT and SAE compliant, ensuring long-lasting performance and safety. These assemblies include a waterproof washer to prevent leaks, keeping your headlights and vehicle protected from the elements. Transform your Tacoma's look and enhance its functionality with these superior headlight assemblies. Order yours now. What we like. This option offers a simple plug-and-play installation, saving you time and effort. It's a direct OEM replacement, ensuring a perfect fit. If you value ease of installation and a reliable, direct fit, this is the one for you. The waterproof design adds an extra layer of protection. What people say. Great headlights, I get compliments on them all the time. The installation was quite easy if you know basic backyard mechanic know-how. Their quality is fantastic. I've had zero moisture appear in them and I've been on bumpy roads, auto car washes, power washers, and days of heavy rain. The lenses are still as clear and beautiful as ever. The headlights were packaged well and looked to be of great quality. I replaced a set of projectors that I had retrofitted into my OEM headlights about 10.5 years ago. The headlights were upgraded with 9003 C-Light S1 LED bulbs and they snapped right into place in the housing. Stock Tacoma halogens are not of great quality and I have had great experience with C-Light LED headlights on my other truck. I went with the black with amber reflectors on my truck and am pleased with the look. Always skeptical about purchasing aftermarket parts, and this one didn't disappoint. It fit perfectly and was easy to install with some finesse. Number 3. AmeriLite Toyota Tacoma LED Headlights. Give your 2012 to 2015 Toyota Tacoma a modern look and improved visibility. These LED headlights are a direct replacement for your old ones, making installation a breeze. They're designed as a perfect fit for your Tacoma, no modifications needed. Simply swap them in and enjoy the upgrade. These lights significantly improve visibility, enhancing safety for you and other drivers. Experience a brighter, more focused beam. Rest assured that they meet or exceed all US and Canadian safety regulations. Drive with confidence knowing you're compliant. The package includes both driver and passenger side headlights, providing a complete upgrade for your Tacoma. Everything you need is right here. Installation is quick and easy, it's a direct replacement, so no special tools or expertise are required. Enjoy a hassle-free upgrade. What we like. It's a direct OEM replacement that's easy to install, requiring no modifications. It meets all US and Canadian safety regulations. If you need a straightforward, hassle-free upgrade that meets safety standards, this is a great option. The simple installation process is a major plus. What people say. These things are so sweet. I did change out the halogen bulbs that come with it to H9 LEDs and it's very bright, especially when you add in the C-shaped LEDs. Adjusting the throw of the lights was also very easy using an 8mm 8-long Phillips head screwdriver. The quality of the product is really nice too. The LED tube doesn't shine in the daytime because it is daylight out, LOL. At night or dusk it really looks cool and shines bright white not purple. These look very nice. The turn signal is bright and the headlamps are easily adjustable. Number 2. Spec-D Tacoma LED Headlights. Upgrade your 2012 to 2015 Toyota Tacoma with these sleek, new headlights. They offer a modern look and improved visibility. These headlights are specifically designed for your 2012 to 2015 Toyota Tacoma. They're a direct bolt-on replacement, making installation a breeze. These headlights meet all DOT and SAE compliant standards, ensuring safe and legal use on the road. They're built to last. They're made with high-quality materials, including a polycarbonate lens and a fully sealed housing. This makes them waterproof, impact-resistant, and UV-resistant. You'll receive a brand new pair of headlights, in their original packaging. Professional installation is recommended for optimal results. Installation is straightforward, they are a direct replacement for your old headlights. No additional wiring or modifications are needed. What we like. This headlight boasts a sleek LED light bar design and is built to withstand the elements. It's waterproof and impact UV resistant, ensuring long-lasting durability. If you prioritize durability in a modern, aggressive look, this is a top contender. The robust construction ensures it can handle whatever the road throws at it. What people say. So far no issues at all with the headlights, good fitment. Projector angle needed to be adjusted after installation. This was very easily done by accessing the small socket adjustment dials on the outside of the headlight housing. Wiring was very simple and straightforward. Lights look great, installation was easily done with included directions. The directions were easy to follow and the install went flawlessly. Beams have been adjusted and are similar in brightness to the units they replaced. Number 1. Telpo Tacoma Headlight Assemblies. These headlight assemblies are designed for your 2012 to 2015 Toyota Tacoma. They offer a direct replacement for your old ones, ensuring a perfect fit. The set includes both the left and right headlights, providing complete coverage for your vehicle. Installation is straightforward and easy. They meet DOT and SAE standards, making them street legal and ensuring your safety on the road. You can drive with confidence. These headlights feature an anti-fogging coating, preventing fog from obstructing your vision. Enjoy clear visibility in any weather. The lenses are treated with anti-yellowing technology, ensuring they stay clear and bright for years to come. It's a smart investment for your vehicle. They're designed as a direct replacement for your old headlights, making installation simple and quick. No special tools are needed. What we like. These headlights are designed with an anti-fogging coating and anti-yellowing technology to maintain clarity and visibility. They are a direct replacement for your old assemblies. If you want to keep your headlights looking new and improve visibility, especially in harsh weather conditions, this is a smart choice. The anti-fogging and anti-yellowing features will keep your headlights looking their best for years to come. What people say. Replacing cloudy headlight assemblies is a great way to make your vehicle look better. I purchased a used Tacoma recently and the cloudy headlights really hurt the looks of the truck. I upgraded the old tired headlights with these Telpo anti-fogging headlight assemblies and Hikari 2023 20000 LMH4 9003 dual beam LED bulbs. Watched a few YouTube videos for the installation. I think these replacement lens really spruced up the looks. Fit perfectly made my truck look 10 years younger. The new assembly is remarkably clear. The old assemblies were so yellowed and dim, and that's after having taken a restoring kit to them a year ago. So, for the cost, replacing was the way to go. Installation was fairly easy. I'm glad they came with the clips to secure the lamps, so I didn't have to fudge one out of a paperclip. I installed the lamps before even installing the assembly. I didn't want to mess with those clips after. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.